So sorry, I haven't posted yet anything so long because I was busy with my uni preparation and everything. So guys, today I have some hot topic coming out, and this video is supposed to be up earlier, but I postponed it. Okay, I postponed it. Okay. Okay, today I'm going to talk about Krishna Janmashtami, the birth of Krishna, the day we celebrate Krishna's birthday. Okay, to all know it's Krishna's birthday. Okay, fine. What is Krishna Janmashtami? Before I say what is Krishna Janmashtami, let me tell you about Krishna. Who is Krishna is? Okay, Krishna is the 8th avatar of Bhagavan Vishnu. Okay, basically when Bhagwan Vishnu takes an avatar, it's for like he wants to save the world from the evil. Okay, it's like they say an adharmam means like evil things. Adharmam in the highest level of its peak and dharma is low, then Bhagavan Vishnu will come to save us. Okay, now I'm going to say it. Okay, actually Krishna's biological father is Vasudeva. Okay, Vasudeva, and the mother is Devaki. So what happened is, before Krishna born, Devaki and Vasudeva already married, and Kamsa, Devaki's brother, who was ruling Madura, was very happy for their marriage. But when they go for a walk from the palace, and suddenly Kamsa heard a voice tell him that Devaki's future child will be a threat to Kamsa, and maybe he will be the one who killed Kamsa. So scared Kamsa quickly took Vasudeva and Devaki, ran to the palace and put them into a cell. So throughout the year, Vasudeva and Devaki spent their time at the cell, and Devaki gave birth to I think 8 children, which is 6 of them Kamsa killed already. The 7th one was transferred to Nanda Maharaj's second wife, and then the another one, I think, the 8th one was Krishna. So what happened is, when Krishna already formed in the inside tummy, right? Then Krishna was born. Yeah, born. Then Vasudeva did what? He took Krishna and he crossed Yamuna to Gokul, crossed Yamuna river, and he reached Gokul and give Nanda Maharaj the baby, Krishna. Then at Kamsa's cell, at the palace cell, beside Devaki, there was a baby girl. Who is the baby girl? Okay, the baby girl is Madurga. Okay, she came. It's like she came for like replacement, like that. When Kamsa wants to kill the baby girl, and the baby girl transformed into Madurga and warned him and asked him to turn a new leaf or else he will die. But Kamsa didn't listen. He still searched for his nephew, who might be a threat for him. Then Vasudeva and Devaki still in the cell. Then what happened? Krishna grew up in Gokul with Nanda Maharaj and his foster mother Yashoda. Okay, then he was growing up. Okay, then that's the story before he was born. Okay, why Krishna Janmashtami? Krishna Janmashtami is the day where Krishna was born, and also Krishna was brought by Vasudeva from that palace across Yamuna. When he was crossing Yamuna, right, it was raining. So Krishna was literally in a basket who he put on top of his head, on top of his head, and was bringing Krishna across the river. And Krishna was like, he get wet from the rain, right? And suddenly, snake, 5-head snake, which was, Vishnu, usually he will sleep on a snake bed, right? It's I don't remember the name now. So like sleep on the 5-head snake, right? So he got a snake umbrella like that to protect Krishna. And then Krishna was safely reached. And Krishna Janmashtami also celebrated as a day where Nanda Maharaj gave sweet to all those people at the village because Krishna was born. Understand? Then basically how they will celebrate is like they will do dance, they will do drama, the reenactment of Krishna's life. Based on Bhagavata Purana, it called Krishna Leela or Rasa Leela. And there are devotees who will fast during that day. And during Krishna's birth time, right, it's like midnight. After he was born, they will start to celebrate it more. Like they will like have like firecrackers and everything. It's like something new came into the world. And then those who are fasting, they will break their fast, eating sweet or something. And Krishna's statue, right, the idols that they used to worship on, they will wash and give it a new cloth, something like that, and put it on a cradle. It means like Krishna already born and brought into their house. Understand or not? Then got some devotees who will like dress their kids like little Krishna, Balram, Radha and everything. They will ask them to walk into their house because it will indicate like little Krishna's journey into their house, like welcoming little Krishna into the house. Understand? Okay, that is all about Krishna Janmashtami. So Krishna Janmashtami is like widely celebrated like in India's states like Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, more like Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, like that. Okay, other than India, which are the country that are celebrating this festival are Nepal, Bangladesh, Fiji, Pakistan, Mauritius, and particularly Bangladesh and Nepal announced Krishna Janmashtami as an official public holiday. Okay, guess what? Then let's go to Krishna back. Okay, Krishna is commonly worshipped as Kannaya, Jagannath, Vithoba, Srinathji, Guruvayurupan, Dwarakadeshti, Parthasarathi. Yeah, Guruvayurappan is Kerala, Dwarakadesh is Gujarat, I think, and Parthasarathi in Tamil Nadu. Okay. As usual, we know Krishna is hero of Mahabharata. Yeah. Let me show you guys the photo of his temple. And not only in India, Malaysia or like any parts, even in other countries like Russia also got temple for Krishna, which is quite famous lah. Then he's quite famous for his role in Mahabharatam, you know, the drama Mahabharatam, but also the kitab lah, Bhagavad Gita. So this is Krishna temple at England. So that was one of the temple. So guys, so today's video, that's all. I have attached my house. We are celebrating Krishna Janmashtami. How we are celebrating Krishna Janmashtami. So I hope you enjoy this video. I hope this video is informative for you. Even though I'm trying to tell as much as I can tell, because I also researching this. Okay, I also like searching why we celebrate like this, why everything have a reason, right? So yeah. And guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and press that bell icon, okay? Even though I post video very late.
Disclaimer for earphone users.